Hello everyone, today I'm going to make an owl out of clay. It's a very easy project. I just start by making this round rectangle, shaping it with my hands. I'm going to add some water. It helps modeling the clay. I just keep shaping it. And then I just press my thumbs to make the eyes. And I continue to shape them. You just need to apply some pressure. And then shape them a little bit. I press it down. And then I just smooth it out with some water. I'm using a little knife to smooth the clay, but you can really use any tool you have or just your fingers. And as soon as I'm happy with the shape, I'm going to use the back of a brush to make these circles. And now I'm going to use some paint. I like to paint it very roughly. I like to see the clay beneath. I use some paper to remove some of the paint. And I also use a little bit of water. I think it gives a more organic feel to the piece. And here it is, the final result. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.